I'm Drew Russell, broker with Michael Saunders & Company, and this is a quick video about the Isles on Palmer Ranch. So Palmer Ranch has always been one of my favorite communities to sell in. It's master planned over 10,000 acres with multiple different types of neighborhoods. This video features the Isles, which is a really well-built, stylish community in the heart of Palmer Ranch. So let's drive around and take a quick look. So this is an awesome example of a typical home in the Isles on Palmer Ranch. This is a 2,000 square foot home with 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, all concrete block construction, full set of hurricane shutters, and as you can see when we take a look, fantastic upgrades. Enjoy the tour.